today from our first Integrated Education and Training Manufacturing program. And we're thrilled to have you all here. I know that some of the students here are interested in our next program in September. So can I see a show of hands of some students who are interested? All right, we're great to see that. So you will get a little preview of what you all will be seeing next year, and we look forward to having you in the program in September. Well, first let me talk to the graduates. Just know how proud we are of all of you and your accomplishments through this program. I remember the first day you came to this building and we did the tour. Do you remember that?
Yeah.
And we looked at all those machines in the back, and some of you were excited, and some of you were horrified. And yet you managed to get through. You managed to complete all of the requirements, both in the classroom, both with the online curriculum, and with the lab activities. You also had a great team to help you through the process. So with that, we thank the instructional team, John, Kevin, Michelle, and Justin, Jackie, and the whole team. This was a group effort, and we are extremely proud of what you've all accomplished with their help. So how about a little round?
Thank you.